Hello and welcome to Fresh and Foraged. I'm Carolyn Dugas, and today, in the never-ending winter series, we're going to be cracking open a cold spruce-ski. And by that, I mean we're going to be taking some butter, sprucing it up, and clarifying the heck out of it. The result is an evergreen-infused ghee that tastes the way the forest or even Christmas smells. So why don't you join me in my kitchen for a little spruce ghee? Before we get all spruced up, I would like to remind you that for the price of a Cliff Bar, for the price of half of a small sandwich, you can join the Fresh and Foraged Patreon, where you can get early access to episodes, as well as exclusive recipes such as this Spice Bush Berry Doll, which pairs delightfully with the spruce ghee. So take a look and join me if you can. I'll link to it in the description below. We'll start off by snipping up some spruce. I like to use 3 roughly 6-inch branches. You can use any edible spruce you want, just make sure to confirm ID and edibility beforehand, you know the drill. If you have an unsprayed Christmas tree lying around, you can use that. And if you're not sure if it's unsprayed, just don't use it. From my understanding, most commercial Christmas trees are sprayed with chemicals that you wouldn't want to eat. So once you have your branches, a simple way to help release the volatile oils is to crush them with a rolling pin. If you have a pair of gardening shears lying around, feel free to give them a little snipperoo instead. And now, let's get this ghee going. In a small pan over medium heat, plop in 2 sticks of unsalted butter, and while they're melting, I would like to thank Mallory O'Donnell for this wonderful idea. If you're not familiar with Mallory's work, you better go familiarize yourself because he is a wonderful forager, teacher, tastemaker, cat appreciator. I could go on. Go check out his Instagram at Mallory L. O'Donnell, and Mallory, thanks again for sharing this idea. I would also like to thank Julie Sani, whose books taught me how to make ghee. Thanks, Julie. Now that the butter is nice and melted, let's spruce it up. Toss in those crushed, snipped, or clipped spruce branches and any stray needles that are lying around. I like a lightly spruce-flavored ghee, so I like to infuse the spruce into the butter while I'm clarifying it. It saves a little bit of time. If you'd prefer a stronger flavored ghee, you can clarify the butter first by itself, then strain it, then add the spruce and infuse it as long as you'd like. But for now, we're going to do the old clarify and infuse. So let's bring that butter to a gentle simmer and let it go for about 15 minutes. There is no need to stir it, just let it snap and crackle on the stovetop. You'll know the ghee is done when the crackling noise has stopped. The crackling noise comes from the moisture in the butter evaporating, and once all the moisture is gone, no more crackling. To get a little visual confirmation on this, you can scoot aside some of the foam on top. You should be able to see the lightly browned milk solids settled at the bottom of the pan. Now, make sure you don't let it go too long or the solids can start to turn black, which will make your ghee taste really bad. So once the crackling stops and the solids are brown, pull that pan off the heat. I like to give it about 10 minutes on a cooling rack just to chill out because, I wouldn't want to spill boiling butter everywhere. So once it's a little bit cooled, I just like to pop a strainer in a mason jar and strain out those milk solids and those spruce bits. The result is a beautiful golden liquid that will solidify into a solid cream color once it cools. The finished ghee is quite good on rice and dal. I've heard it's even good on popcorn. And since all that moisture has left the butter, the ghee's shelf life has greatly increased. You can store it at room temperature for a few months if it lasts that long. This is a nice way to bring the winter woods into your kitchen and add a little wilderness to your food. Thanks for tuning in, and let me know down in the comments what your favorite way is to use your ghee. If you've enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing for more flavorful foraging content featuring abundant and invasive plants. Happy foraging!